Hey friends, if you encounter the error input not supported display monitor on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, you need to make sure that the monitor is compatible and the cable is also compatible at hardware level, because if that is not compatible, then there's nothing that you can do. After this, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for monitors and right click and update its drivers. Also update the display drivers, okay, all of them. And then the next one is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab, select display in the right pane, and then make sure that the scale and display resolution both are selected at recommended. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.